Being a part of the city stages, the impact it's had has been phenomenal. I've managed to network and connect with the right people, and working alongside with Tree in that respect has made me more confident, opened up new avenues as an up-and-coming artist. So it's had a huge impact and inevitably led me on to performing in other events, pushing more on the social media aspect, leading to signing a record deal. You're brought over by this major label, and there's a part of you that's scared and excited. All the elements, all the emotions. I'm extremely proud of myself and the people around me that's been able to support it. And I've been lucky to have the experience and the exposure that Tree have given me. So the best advice I can give you is take the risk or lose the chance. Don't be afraid to promote yourself on social media. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. And by doing so, you come across these great competitions.